Hey you unicorns, welcome to the Z World. In this video I am going to show you the tutorial of the eye makeup look which I saw in my dreams. So let's play with the colors. As you guys may know what colors I have used in this video. So let's just grab those colors and I will tell you what I have done there. I just hope that you guys have watched my previous video. If you haven't, then please go check it out after watching this video. But if you have watched my previous video, then thank you so very much. First, I'm just drawing the eye as I usually do. After finishing the eye, I will move on to the eyebrow. And I always fill in the eyebrow with black eyeshadow, but you can use any other eyebrow product to fill in your eyebrows that you like the most. And please keep in mind to always start filling in your eyebrows from the arch of your eyebrow, then the tail of the eyebrow, and then the rest of the eyebrow. Just because that way your eyebrows will turn out great and it will look natural and beautiful. And now I'm moving on to the eyelid. For the transition shade or the base shade, I have chosen the yellow color, as you guys may already know. Here I'm using the flash color first, and to blend this color I will use the same colored powder eyeshadow, and for the application I'm using this fluffy brush. Look, it's already looking good, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me tell you a little bit about this eye makeup look which I saw in my dreams. I am not joking, not at all. I really did saw this eye look into my dreams. After waking up in the morning, I thought let's just do this eye makeup look. Let's just share this eye makeup look with you guys. I hope at the end you will like this video. And if you are still watching my video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell notification next to it. That will mean a lot to me. Okay, so now back to the eye makeup look. What I've done here is I've just applied the wing eyeliner. For the color, I've chosen the purple shade for the outer V section. But for the inner corner, I will choose the pink. Again, these are the flash colors. To highlight the arch, I have chosen the shade which is closer to yellow but a highlighter. I hope you are getting my point. And to finish off my eye makeup look which I saw in my dreams, I am drawing the eyelashes. But here what you can do is just apply false eyelashes onto your actual eye, or just apply mascara onto your actual eye to finish off your eye makeup look. And please share this video with your friends and everyone else if you like my videos. Here you have it guys. See you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.